Hey guys, it's TYMM here. Welcome back to the tutorial channel. I know a lot of you are just like me. You want great results, but you don't want to deal with a bunch of complicated steps. So today, I'm back with another helpful tutorial on how to create the effect that everybody seems to love these days, the depth map effect. Before we get started, I want to give credit where it's due. The creator of this app is Ryan, and Kabir is the person who introduced it to the editing community. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find Ryan's YouTube account, so I couldn't properly tag or credit him. If you're watching this, please know that I'm only sharing this tutorial to help fellow creators learn and improve. And honestly, I'm not even going to explain what a depth map is. Let's be real, most of you are here because you just want to know how to make it. So, want your edits to look something like this? Then let's jump straight into the video. From the 4 available options, select Video Depth Map Mode. Next, import your video, leave the quality setting on Balanced, and then tap Generate. Keep in mind that the processing speed may vary depending on your device. Once it's finished generating, that's it, your depth map is ready to use. Simple as that, and I'll catch you in the next video.